If you are facing water leakage issue from inlet hose adapter, then follow the tips suggested in this video to resolve this issue. Unscrew all 4 screws provided on the adapter using a screwdriver. Loosen the inlet hose adapter partially and attach it to the tap. Now tighten each screw equally. Tighten the inlet hose adapter completely. Check for leakage. To do so, close the inlet hose adapter using your finger or thumb and open the tap. This issue should now be resolved. Now connect inlet hose pipe to the adapter using the clip provided on it. It will produce a click sound. So use these simple steps to resolve water leakage issue from inlet hose adapter in Samsung top load washing machine.